Whoa. Did I fling that tater? Thought I flung the tater. Well, hey there, y'all. Let's do some sweet potatoes today. These are going to be savory sweet potatoes. I enjoy doing mine savory or sweet, but these are going to be savory. You can see the stuff in the corner that we'll be using to season it up. Now, I've already got these chopped, the ends off of them, and I've already got them washed. So now I'm going to get them peeled. You can see the sizes of them, so just good, maybe medium to large size sweet potatoes. So let's get them peeled up right fast. Alrighty, got them peeled up. Now time to chop them up. I'm gonna go for about that size and thickness there, you see, and then I'll chop them down about like that, and then we'll start getting our seasoning on there. So get these chopped up and I'll see you in a second. Alrighty, y'all, got them chopped up here. Get a little look at them there. There you go. You can see them. Nice little chunks. So now we get a little seasoning on them. Start with a little good old olive oil, just a little drizzle to help some of this seasoning stick to it. Maybe 2-3 tablespoons. Then go with some of the Lowry seasoning, the seasoned salt. Dash some of that on there. Then some turmeric there. Just a little dash. Then some cayenne. Add in nice little spice. And then a little thyme. There we go. Now get this rolled around. Got them seasoned up there. See, nice little mixture of the seasoning on there. So now we'll go on over and get them in the skillet. Alrighty, let's get them in the skillet. So I've got my big skillet here, number 10. Spread those around a little bit. And I already got bacon grease that I put in here, rubbed around. Got the oven preheated to 400. Now I put them on in here. Got them in the oven there. So now I'm going to let them run probably about 20-25 minutes. Probably roll them around a little bit, put them back in, and let them run maybe another 5 to 10 minutes, just if they're fork tender or not and done. So I'm gonna let these roll, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, got them out of the oven there, looking pretty good. Now I'm gonna get them stirred up a little bit more, and then we'll throw them back in for probably another 10 minutes or so, or until they're fork tender. So get these rolled around, and I'll see y'all back when I'm done. Alrighty, y'all, got them out the oven here, looking good, smelling good. They cook for a total of 30 minutes. Do a quick little review of what we did while they cool off, so it's not too hot, hopefully, when I get a bite. But I took my sweet potatoes, chopped off the ends that weren't going to have too much of potato, and then had little bad spots in them. Then I washed them off, and then I peeled them. And once they was peeled, chopped them in the size that y'all saw that I chopped them up. Doused them with a little olive oil, then the Lowry seasoned salt, turmeric, thyme, cayenne. So a nice little herby saltiness, little richness of the flavor there of all together, because I enjoy the savory sweet potatoes here. And then put them in my skillet that I'd rubbed down with a little bacon grease as well, so that gives a nice little smoky aspect to them. So in the oven they went at 400 for those 20 minutes, got them out, rolled them around, back in for 10, took them out, and then boom, there we go. So there we go. I think it got thin. So yeah, smells good. That herby richness is coming through at that time. Yeah, little bacon kind of coming through too. So gonna be good. Going in, they're nice and soft. Little texture too from that cast iron being hot. Little spice coming through. And you get the sweetness of the potato as well. You see that one right there. Looks good. Get all that herb on it. If you're a savory sweet potato fan, make these for sure. They are really good, super easy. Want to do regular potatoes, this is the way to go too. Little reds or Yukon Golds especially. And then the good old russet, hard to go wrong. It's good tater too. But if you're like a little different, like that little different aspect, that's more sweetness kind of, then the savory too kind of coming together. The old savory sweet potato like this is the way to go. I'm going to chow on down on the rest of these. It's going to be kind of a lunch snack kind of deal, I guess. But hope y'all enjoyed this. Definitely make it. So y'all like, share, and subscribe. Want to, you haven't already. When you do, you're welcome on in the Head to Tail family. We love you. Welcome on in. So thank y'all again. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.